Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a drop list in Microsoft Excel. So let's say you are having a set of items, and what you want to do is you don't want to manually type the category name. You have the category name list somewhere, and you want that to appear in the drop list um, or drop down list, from where you can select the options. So that will help you in maintaining accuracy, as well as it saves time because it is already there and you just have to select the categories. And at times there can be a lot of categories, so you won't remember the exact name or spelling of the category, and that will save you from all that trouble. So all you have to do is just have the table prepared, and then select the cell where you want that drop down menu to be, or drop down list to be, and then go to data, and then go to data validation, and here select data validation. Under the validation criteria, select list, and for source name all you have to do is select the area where there are categories. So it can be in the same worksheet as well as it can be in other worksheets. So just select that and then click on OK. And now as you can see, we have all the categories listed here. So if apple is a fruit, then we can select that. So what if you want to have that enabled for all the cells? Just copy paste that, and drop down menu will start appearing for all of these cells. So now fruits, then this will also be fruit, and this will be, let's say, machine, and here the secret is the book's name, so it will be book. So yeah, it saved a lot of time, right? Because we didn't have to first of all remember all the category names. Second, it saves you from typing, and even someone who is not aware of all the category names or the spelling, that person would be able to select the categories easily. So it's in a turn saves a lot of time, and it is a very productive way of doing things. So this is how you do it. You go to data validation, and then just select list from the list, from this criteria, from this validation criteria. And once you've selected that, just select the source, which would be the range where all the options are, and then click on OK. And yeah, you will start seeing all the options in the drop down menu or drop down list.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.